Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to remove a page in Goodnotes 5. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you don't want a page a part of your document anymore and you'd like to get rid of it. So I'll be showing you how to remove a page in Goodnotes 5. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm in the document and you need to be on the page that you want to remove from your document. Then you're going to tap on the three little dots in the right hand corner, and there, as you can see, it says move page to trash. So if you tap on that and tap on trash, that is it. Your page will be removed, and that is basically it. If you wanted to know how to remove a page in Goodnotes 5, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.